Want to see a simple function where you can take this current string and capitalize every single word in that string? Well, that's what we're going to talk about today. So let's hop right in and start programming. Now, there's probably multiple ways that you can go through and capitalize each word in this sentence, right? A naive approach might be to break up this sentence into a list of words and then go through each word and capitalize the first character. That would be a very simple naive approach that you could do. But I'm going to show you a function that the string class has built in Python that makes this super easy and a one-liner. All you need to do is come down here and you can either create a new string, but in my case, I'm going to overwrite this string. I'm going to say the cur string is equal to cur string, and then dot, and then we're going to type in title. And this is basically the function that's going to take it and basically put it in like title case, make every word capitalized. So then if we go ahead and we just copy all this, we paste it and rerun this, what you'll see is here's our original string. And then now you see that every word is capitalized in our sentence. And just like that, we have capitalized every word in a string using Python. And that's your Python tip of the day. Till next time, keep on programming.